Hi, in this video, we're going to take a look at how you can backup data to Samsung Cloud on the Samsung Galaxy S21 series. Now first tap on the home key to go back to your home screen. Next, we're going to swipe down at the top and tap on the settings button. In settings, go down and tap on accounts and backup. Now in here, tap on backup data. And then go down the list here and select what you want to backup. Now by default, all is selected except voice recording, so you can tap on that to allow permissions. Once you have allowed permissions, you can then allow the device to backup voice recorder. So storage. And I'm going to go back. Okay, so now that everything is selected, you can tap on the backup. Now before we go ahead and backup this device, if you tap on the option at the top here and tap on more information, make sure that you read this because this will tell you what will be backup and what will not be backup. For example, one of the things that will not be backup is apps data. So if you look in here in apps, it will backup installation files and app settings. So it's only backing up the settings, not the actual data. If you want to backup your apps data, you need to use a different kind of backup, and that is Google Drive backup data. So in here you can backup the apps data to Google Drive. But if you are backing up to Samsung Cloud, then you can only backup settings. Also, one other things you can see in here, it does not have photo backup. So if you want to backup your photos, you need to go into your gallery and backup the photos. So in here, we will be able to backup call logs, messages, contacts, calendar, clock settings, home screen, apps, and voice recordings. Also, if you tap on what we can backup, go in the list here and see what is not being backup, such as attachments in messages. So it will backup your messages text, but it will not backup attachment that is attached to the messages. And that's it. So once you're ready, tap on the backup button and that will begin the backup process to the Samsung Cloud. Now there are other methods of backup such as external storage backup, so you can backup your data to a USB storage device. And again, we got Google Drive backup, so you can backup apps data to Google Drive. And you can also plug your phone to your computer and you can backup to your computer as well. So that is a different way to backup your device. But for now, in this video, I just want to primarily focus on backing up to your Samsung Cloud account. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.